And it's now time for the business day. He didn't learn to read properly until grade 8, but today he negotiates contracts for corporate Jamaica and is one of the leading premium window tinting companies. It's the story of Tint, Xpert Limited, Jamaica. Deidre Thomas tells us more.
For Managing Director of Tint Xpert Limited, Rashane King, the struggle was real to spell out his own ambition. But today, the foundation has been laid and he's building one.
I learned to read in 8th grade, right? So it was what really have me changed my mind as it relates to education was the fact that my uncle is now deceased. He was like, we were at a shop in the community, right? Everyone was there, and I don't know what coming at the year. Everybody just get up and say they want to play spellings, right? So my uncle was like, Shane, spell wife. I mean, I'm like, W-A-V-E. Everybody start laugh. And I said, what me do wrong now? Right? So I must say, you're a lagger at this. And my friend must say, no man, a W-I-F-E. I'm looking at myself and I said, I can't continue that way, you know.
During his summer break, he disappeared for 3 months, not because of getting into trouble, but to teach himself. He first learned to spell his address, which laid the groundwork for his ambition. An architect.
I was looking for architect in R. I said, no man, this not work out, you know. This is not work out, so it's alright, cool, I'm not give up. So I just start from the front. And on the journey, I realized that architects start with A and not R. Right, so after the 3 months, man, I come back a road, man, I be a big word me I give them to spell. But one thing, you couldn't trick me in mathematics, because I love money.
With only 2 CXCs to his name, he was introduced to Tinting by a friend and began working for an established company. After being dismissed from that job, he made a decisive shift.
Ceramic Care, JA, right? So they took me in as a younger sibling. That's my interpretation of it, you know, and that's where they actually do PPF, they do ceramic coating, all of that. And so when I just started, to be frank with you, I didn't have any money. Right, so I start this company with 5 feet of tint.
Now, the business has grown beyond its humble beginnings. After receiving a large contract from Kimlani Mart, he used the funds from that project as his first major revenue injection. Mr. King is now a tint technician with a team of 4, providing services for companies such as Toyota Jamaica and Jet Tour.
What we do, we offer nano-ceramics, which is the highest level of tint. Actually, back I-beams for night driving keep out 98% of heat and it keep out 99% of UV rays.
The journey was filled with streaks and bubbles. However, strategic marketing helped connect him with the right clients.
3 months past, no work not coming up. Yeah, I have a friend that does, his name is Lexroy, he actually do like stickers. I'm going to call him, I'm going to say, yo, I'm not the money, but here we go on. Boy, I use a platter and cut up some sticker for me, so every job I do, I put it on the back of the car. And from that, things start to kick off a little bit more.
Based in Kingston, the Tint Xpert is planning to expand his business to Montego Bay and to introduce a mobile service.
I would say to every Jamaican young man, young, old, middle age, keep focus and life can change.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.